Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Little Learners. Today I am going to say amazing facts about an elephant. An elephant are the largest land animal. They can live on flexible trunk. Elephants use their trunk to pick up foods and waters. Elephants can eat well over 550 types of plant spices at a time. Elephant stores 14 liters of water in the trunk. The favorite food of elephant is sugar canes and bananas. The color of its skin is black. It lives in the sensitive forest. A newborn elephant weighs around 120 kgs. An adult male elephant can be 10 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh between 6,000 to 6,500 kgs. There are two types of elephants, American and Asian elephant. American elephants are taller or larger than the Asian ones. Elephants live up to 60 to 70 years in the wild. Thank you.